How to create a new payment link on Stripe. In this video, I'll show you guys how you can easily do this in a step-by-step manner. So let's just jump right in. Open up your web browser first and then go to stripe.com, hit enter, and then open up the first link. Now you're just going to have to click on the login option if you haven't already. I've already logged in, so I'm just going to head over to my dashboard. So once you land on dashboard.stripe.com, you'll have an option to create a custom payment link. You can do that by going ahead and clicking on the plus icon at the top right where it says create, then click on create payment link. Now this page will open up on your screen. Now you're going to have to name your product. So click on add new product. And on this window, all you have to do here is name your product. So let's say if you're selling anything like online course, you can also add a description. So let's say 30 days online course about anything. I'm just going to leave it as it is for now. If you want, you could also add image like for JPEG, PNG, and WebP as well. That is under 2 MB. And if you click on more options, you could also get charged amount of tax on every product you sell with Stripe. Then if you want it to be a one-off payment, choose one-off. Now select the price of your product. So let's say if I want it to be $50, you could also change the currency from here, US dollars, dirham, and all of these available options. So you can choose anything. I'm just going to leave it on USD. Now you could also choose more pricing options. And here you could see more advanced options like your price description, lookup key, and if you want to add a price by currency, you could click here and then choose the currency. It will automatically convert it. Now, select your unit quantity as well. Now tap on next. Once that is done, click on add product. And as you can see here, the product has been added. And all you have to do here is just go ahead and see the preview. This is how it's going to look. So they can use Apple Pay, add their card, and all of these other payment methods as well. You can select phone or PC, how it looks on phone or how it's going to look on PC. Now click on create link. Once the link has been created, you could just go ahead and copy this URL. So click on this copy link option. Now let me just go ahead and open up another tab and paste the link here to see how it's going to look. So this is the Stripe checkout page. And now if they add the currency here, it is going to look something like this. So they're going to add their email, card info, cardholder name, country, region, and then click on pay. That's pretty much it, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful. I'll see you on the next one.